Hey everyone, Josh here with Evolve 3D. Today I've got the Air Venturi Alpha and I'm going to show how to install our metal rail kit. First thing, it comes with two 3D printed accessories. The one without the rubber slides onto the back portion of the tube. The one with the rubber goes up front as shown. You're going to drop one of the rails in place. The kit comes with two sheet metal rails and they are unique from left and right side. Here I'm installing the left rail with the provided M3 by 6mm long screws. These screw directly into the 3D printed supports. You will need 4 of these M3 screws per rail, and I usually include 1 to 2 extra in the box. Now we're just going to flip the rifle over and install the opposite side rail. Again, the same 4 M3 screws, 2 of them along the top edge and 2 of them at the bottom, are going to secure that in place. Do not over torque these. You can crack the 3D printed supports and it doesn't take a lot to keep these in place. Now that the rails are installed, I need to lock the whole thing in place. Our kit includes 2 M4 by 6mm long panhead screws that are used to secure the rail to the chassis. These are the same hole locations used for the OEM handrail. We offer 3 different configurations of this kit. One configuration comes with this 3-inch long Arca rail section and a 3-slot pick rail section for use with a bipod or any other pick rail mounted accessories. The other 2 configurations are just variations of pick rail mounts. One is a single and another is a triple pick rail kit. That's pretty much a wrap for this installation. Check out this and other accessories at evolve3dprinting.com. Thanks for watching.